Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enlarge display text size and icons in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and open the main page of settings. And now scroll down and you can see the option display and brightness. Then click on it and now scroll down and you can see the option display zoom. Click on display zoom and now here you can see it will be selected by default, and if you want to enable enlarge display text and icons, then simply select larger text, and after selecting that simply click on done and then click on use zoomed. After doing this procedure, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, you can see your display text and icons will be enlarged. So this is the way to enlarge display text and icons in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.